Hey Sunshines, week 4, day 3. Our reading passage today is called Genetic Basis of Butterflies, and it runs from page 366 to page, hang on a second, 373. All right, The Genetic Basis of Butterflies by ReadWorks. Have you ever been to a park during the summer? If you have, you may have seen butterflies floating from flower to flower. They are beautiful, and each one has its own individual qualities or traits. Some butterflies are orange with big brown eyes. Some are blue with black markings on their wings. Other butterflies are white with small black antennae sticking out from their heads. Butterfly experts say there are over 20,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. Each type of butterfly has its own genetic information passed down from its parents that determine what qualities it will have. This inherited genetic information explains why certain kinds of butterflies look different from others. Monarch butterflies, for example, are orange butterflies with black markings and white spots on their wings. They are most common in Mexico and the United States. Their bright color makes them stand out to animals that may want to eat them. However, it also acts as a warning that they are poisonous if eaten. The poison of monarch butterflies comes from a plant these butterflies eat during an early stage in their lives. Butterflies are the adult version of caterpillars. As caterpillars, monarchs feed on a plant called milkweed, which contains a poison that will kill most animals, but not monarch caterpillars. When the caterpillars become adult monarch butterflies, the poison from the milkweed is still in their bodies. This makes them poisonous to anything that might try to eat them. An animal that did not know the monarch butterfly was poisonous would soon realize its mistake. Most animals that taste the poisonous monarch quickly spit it out and learn not to eat them again. Many other butterflies have camouflage coloring passed down in genetic information that helps them blend into their areas in order to stay safe. Monarch butterflies, however, rely on their bright coloration for safety. The viceroy butterfly is also protected by its bright coloring. It mimics the colors of a monarch in order to keep from being eaten. There are many kinds of butterflies that look very different. However, all butterflies share a certain number of traits, which are also determined by their genetic information. They all have the same life cycle. First, a caterpillar hatches from an egg. The caterpillar eats plants and grows bigger. Then it covers itself in a hard covering called a chrysalis. It starts to change dramatically. During this stage, the insect is called a pupa. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa grows the legs, wings, and other parts of an adult butterfly. Once the butterfly is fully developed, the chrysalis splits apart and the butterfly comes out. All butterflies have 4 wings, 2 upper and 2 lower. They are covered in tiny colored scales. A butterfly's genes determine the color of its scales. They also determine the insect's size and shape. Colorful decorations are key to the survival of the monarch butterfly. Bright colors signal danger to the animals that might otherwise eat the butterfly. Other kinds of butterfly with different genes rely on different survival strategies and have their own designs. But no matter the pattern, the way each of the 20,000 different species develop is determined by their genes. All right, vocabulary is next.